Hi guys, my name is Arah. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create the beautiful trending butterfly locks. So if you want to see how I do that, please keep on watching. So I went ahead and used this hair that I got from Zury. You can get this hair from your local beauty supply. This is like my favorite hair to go to. Passion Twist. Locs is soft and it kind of mimics like the texture of our natural hair. So that's what I like using. And of course my jam. So I use one piece of the water wave hair and I kind of just fluffed it out as you see me doing here in the video. I fluff out the hair, make sure the hair is really fluffed out. It works better when it's fluffed out. And I went ahead and crocheted it in her hair. So I'm going to be showing you guys two different ways on how to create this butterfly locks. So the first way is to crochet the hair and then use that crochet piece to wrap around the roots as you see me here doing. I'm kind of fluffing it out more because it's not really fluffed out that much. I kind of just place my thumb, like my left hand, on her hair, holding it together with the real hair and the water wave hair. And as you see my thumb trying to create like some loops while I'm twisting and rolling and going down, I use my thumb to kind of create like loops and kind of make it messy. So you don't want to lock these locks too tight. You don't want to wrap too tight with these locks. You kind of want to wrap kind of loosely, but you also want to keep that left hand really stern so that way the lock is still firm and soft, because the point of this locks is supposed to be soft, messy, distressed, cute. It's not supposed to be perfect. So what you see me here doing is kind of taking the other side and kind of comparing it with the other lock, making sure that is the same length. And when I get to the bottom, I use a little piece and I tie it, make a knot. And this also helps with security for the lock to stay in. So I use a little piece at the end, wrap it, and then take the remainder of the hair, hold it really firmly with my thumb, my left thumb, and then I wrap it really tight right here. And then when I'm going back up, you can kind of see me loosen my grip a little bit. And then same thing, I'm gonna place my thumb and create my little pockets is what I call them, or like little loops, and you just go back up and do the same thing and you just wrap it. And when you get to the end, just wrap it, go back down, or you can go back up again, wrap it, just keep wrapping it till you have no more water wave hair hanging, and then you roll it with your arm. And that's how we're gonna do style 2. That's how we're gonna do the first way. The second way, I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. And this is another trick to make sure your lock is nice and secure, is you take another water piece, braid in hair, you split it in half, you cut it, you split it in half, and you take that little half, you go back to the top, make sure it's really fluffed out, go back to the top, and then you just make it tighter, right? So you're just securing your lock, making sure that it doesn't slide down when she tries to put it up in a ponytail or anything. So that's what you see me here doing, is just taking that little piece and just going back around. And I'm gonna start putting my thumb and try to create like some loops in the locks again. And that's basically what we do. So this is the first way you can do your butterfly locks. I'm gonna be showing y'all the second way, so just stay tuned. So this is the second way to do butterfly locks. So like the first way, you crochet the hair, right? So you crochet your water wave, one piece of water wave hair in the lock, and then you take a second piece of water wave hair and you fluff it out as you see me here doing. And the key to this style is your hair has to be fluffed out, like your water wave hair has to be fluffed out. And this is why I love using this texture of water wave hair. It's because it's so texturized, like it mimics our natural hair, like it mimics 4C natural hair or 4B or whatever. So the second way is you take a second piece of water wave hair and you use that piece to wrap, right? Use that piece to wrap your base. So that's what you see me here doing, is I'm wrapping my base with that second piece of water wave hair, and just wrap it really firmly in the base so it doesn't move and go nowhere when your client tries to style her hair or whatever. And then you start doing your little loops, right? You start putting your thumb right there so you can create some loops. And you're also making this part really loosely because you don't want it to get like, you don't want it to pull, like, to get really loose and like come apart. You don't want that at all. So that's what you see me here doing, is creating my butterfly locks by putting the little loops in it. You see the little loops going, and you create that loops by putting your thumb just randomly anywhere. So I usually do this like 5 or 6 times, but you can literally do it as many times as you want, and just kind of how you want your locks to look like. So I am going to be continuing twisting, and when I get to the end, of course, I make a knot and I flip it up and I go back up. So make sure you are holding, make sure your left hand is kind of like your stationary hand. So even though your right hand will be twisting, your left hand should stay pretty stable and secure. So it should be like your stationary hand. So while you're going up, that right hand is going to be doing the twisting, and of course your left thumb is going to be creating your loops, so we can get that distressed butterfly locks. That's what we want to get. And remember, the messier this wrapping is, the prettier it looks, because this is distressed. So just keep that in mind. I'm gonna keep doing this second method throughout her whole head, but I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna just vibe to some music, and I'll catch y'all at the end. Thank you. Bye.
Day one, tryna spend the rest of my life with the same one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with my day one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. How you still a 10 but the one for me? You get off at 6, you should come vibe. Play your favorite song, singing all of me. I'm just tryna build forever. Ain't no storm we can't weather. When the sun goes down, I'll still be around for you. Here for all of that, yeah. Know I got your back, yeah. You my right hand, but I ring the match. On your left hand, you my better half. Lost in your love and I can't get back now. Fight for your heart and I will not back down, yeah. Baby, won't you come with me? I'm just tryna chill, I'm just tryna live with my day one. Tryna spend the rest of my life with the same one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. Tryna spend the rest of my life with my day one. Ain't no INT. I'ma bring you good love, just come with me. Baby, you're all the company I need. She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey, look, pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad, we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. I am so glad your mama like me. Sweat up with Cupid, told her fight me. I stole your love, he shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR. Tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true, you mean the world to me. Travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know, she likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Look, you know you the baddest in the game. Show you how to blow like Lil Wayne. Baby, I ain't hard to please. Girl, tell me what you need. Year-round Valentine. I'm just tryna get some time with you. Would you spend the night with me? Maybe spend your life with me. Check me if I'm trifling. Let me be your bestie. Bonnie and Clyde when we flexing. Baby, we can stand the test of time. And you ain't even gotta second guess that. You mean the world to me. I travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know. Hey, yo, chill, it's just a draft. Yeah. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Dang, girl, you got me head over heels with it. Hey, danger, you out here dressed to kill with it. Way you breaking them necks, I don't see how they can deal with it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Look, burning up like August. Now I don't see no rain. Boy, cause she gorgeous. Told her that it ain't no thing. Look at you and it's obvious. Gives me every time, yeah. See it in my eye, yeah. Girl, it's on sight, and she know that. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad, it's a little, yeah. Shawty, you bad, you know it. I'ma say less, let me show it. You can be my queen if that's fine with you. Baby, I'm just tryna spend time with you.